Night planting. No, sorry. Oh, here goes the plantain. Morning guys, welcome back to another video. Right, so I know I didn't finish off the video when we got back with the plants last night, but today I'll turn this camera around just to show you. So this is some here. We have started planting some. See that royal palm is falling over because of the breeze. This is one of the papaya or pawpaw. This is the kin palm. I saw like a mature one which grows really tall. So that's gonna grow and then create a canopy over the walkway here. I'm gonna get more of these. This is the bamboo, really tall. He was showing me the foreign ones which don't grow as tall, but yeah, I don't mind that they're quite tall. But I'll get some more all along here to act as a screen, and the little spider plant that's going to go around the back. And I've got my, is it bougainvilleas, if I'm saying it right? I've been looking for the longest time for ones that come out with the orange flowers, so I'm happy. I mean, they look like leaves to me, but yeah, these are the flowers. Looks like the leaves have turned orange. It looks pretty anyway, I like that. So I've got about 6 of those, and they're going to come along here on this side of the pergola. My plantain tree, which we planted last night, looks like the wind has massacred it. I'm not sure if it's going to survive, but we'll see. Looks like it's already lost its strength. It's all drooping. I don't know. I'm going to try and get a stick. I can hold it up a bit. And then I've got this sugar cane, which I've decided to pot because it needs a lot of water. So because whatever area I plant it's going to need water. So I figured if I put it in a container and make sure we look after it and water it. Look at that dragonfly, guys. Can you see it? It's like it's already come for the... You can see his eyes like watching me. I'm thinking like, what are you doing, lady? Why are you here filming me? I think it's mainly because of the way the guy packed the stuff in the car. I was telling him, but he just wanted to get it all in there so we could get it home. Let me stop the camera for a minute. Let's have a look. Oh yeah. Be careful with pushing some of the soil inside. It's growing right on the side. Look, most of it there. What's that? Something else growing or?
I think they planted different things.
It's not straight, you know. I'm trying to get it straight, please.
So
Yeah, that's better. Um, this is one of the ones that's going to go outside. Yeah, so
you buy extra too.
yeah.
This one is
So this one will come here.
the same size.
Yeah, same side.
Yeah, it's okay. Let's come here.
Just a bit, yeah, closer to the back, please. Oh, careful.
The old concrete is there.
It's inside.
Yeah.
So do you think it's going to be a problem for the roots?
Then you have to come from small.
It's just because how I want it to grow. So we've struck concrete from when we first, so I don't know if you guys remember when we first did the screeding of the compound before we did all the pavers. This was a few years ago. So we're going to try and see if we can remove some. Well, I say we, I mean Abu's going to try. Yeah, I'm just observing. This one I'm making you do some hard work. Right, I think I'm happy with my work. It's actually quite late in the day. It's now around 10:30 p.m. and I am feeling so blessed right now to have the opportunity to have reached this stage gardening. I found it so therapeutic. Of course, I was absolutely tired by the end of it. Finished up, had a shower, and then went to bed. In fact, tell a lie, I went for a swim. I went for a night swim first before I went to bed. And also, it made the work a bit more difficult not having the correct tools. I remember I'd gone into a couple of hardware stores around my area, and the classic, sorry it's finished, sorry it is finished. I wanted a hand shovel, I wanted some garden shears, and I can't remember, there was something else I wanted they didn't have, and I was trying to find like some plastic containers that I could use to pot some seeds. But anyway, as I said, very happy to have reached this stage in the journey. I'm gonna take my time, build and lay up the garden, build and lay up all the plants. In fact, I asked the guy who I met at the garden centre, Emmanuel, he's so knowledgeable on plants. I asked him to come after a few days to come and help plant the fruit trees, and also to give us advice and guidance on how to keep everything growing well, and also to employ his services in the future. So he came and helped out, and I will definitely be using his services ongoing from time to time. I also purchased a few more plants, and as I said, definitely going to be getting some more to build up the garden. I hope you all enjoyed today's video, and thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Just want to ask you all to subscribe to the channel to help it grow, and to please give this video a massive thumbs up so that YouTube can push it out to more people to watch. Thank you all so much for the growth on the channel that's happening at the moment, and shout out to all the newbies, all the new subscribers, and of course a big shout out to all my day ones, my foundation crew, who started this whole journey with me. Thank you for your comments, your likes, your suggestions, and as always, want to remind everybody that in all your endeavors to trust God, have patience, and believe for it. And until that next video, guys, have a blessed day. Bye.